Hello everyone, this is the demonstration phase of the RC touch area. It's going to be using the Galaxy Tab A here to use the touch area from the tablet to control the movement of the spinning top here. And we'll be using the text forward, backward, left, right. We're also using a slow and fast, so that we can control the speed on the go. So let's look at the project. So the project itself has these texts: forward, backward. You can see for the text, and then also slow and fast is file number 6. Okay, I already downloaded the code to it, so let me turn it off. And let me go back. So I'm ready. So start the project, turn the controller on, connect. So a whistle, it's ready to go. So example, I'm gonna, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm pushing slow now and going forward, backward, and changing fast, and backward, fast, and forward. So I'm putting right, and I'm putting slow now at the same time, and I switch to fast. So I'm using two touch area here. So left, fast. You actually do left and right at the same time, so but it's kind of jerky, not very well. Let's do right some more. Let's see, forward and right. So I'm doing a big circle. There is a right alone only. You see it's pinned in one wheel. So I'm going forward now, so it's making a little bit bigger circle.